Hello mga magayonon! Welcome back to my channel. In this second chapter of my Phnom Penh journey, we step into the shadows of Cambodia's past and the vibrant pulse of its present. From the haunting silence of the killing fields where history whispered through the wind, to the bustling maze of Central Market, alive with color, scent, and sound. This episode is the tapestry of contrast. And finally, we ascend to Wat Nom, the sacred hilltop temple that gave birth to the city itself, where legend and spirituality intertwine. Join me as we explore the soul of Phnom Penh, its pain, its resilience, and its beauty. So ayan, pupunta na kami sa Killing Field. Oh my God, I'm so excited para malaman yung history ng Khmer Rouge. Ngayon, para makita nyo, oh my God, I'm loving Phnom Penh. Ang ganda-ganda dito sa Phnom Penh, promise. So pag pupunta kayo ng Cambodia, make sure na pumunta kayo dito sa Phnom Penh. Maganda siya, promise. Kasi normally, di ba, pupunta lang tayo ng Cambodia because of the Angkor Wat. But there's a lot of things that you can actually see and learn in Cambodia. I'm telling you guys, it's beautiful here. Diba? Oh, ayan. Nakatutok lang kami. Okay, I'll see you later. Mwah! Ayun, so nandito na ako sa oh please rest modestly, sa Genocide, yung sa Killing Field. And meron siyang, I think it's $5. How much is that? Ito yung sa ticketing nila. Oh, it's $6. So you have to pay $6, you know, to get to the field. To get to the, oh tama nga. Oh di ba nga? Nalilito naman ako na. Sobrang itim ko na, my God. Ayan. So I'm gonna pay $6. So ayun siya. I just paid $6, which is $25,000 Khmer Rial.
What language would you like?
English, please. Alright, and that's actually includes the audio.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So
And to listen, number one, play.
Press 1
and play.
And then play.
Yeah, when you finish 1, then you go 2, press 2. Yeah?
Okay. Ayan, so I just paid $6 as I've said, which is 25,000 Khmer Rial. And that includes the audio. Look, so there. And since it's raining, I have an umbrella with me. There. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So I think I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna listen to the audio para malaman ko kung anong mga nangyari dito, mga kaganapan dito. Okay, I'll show you now. This is the track number 2 according to this audio.
nakikinig ako dito sa sa audio. Sobrang parang iba yung feeling mo na nakikinig ka. Tapos yung tao na kung paano sila pinapatay. Alam mo yun? So parang hindi sila pinapatay through bullet, shackles. Kung minsan parang iniitak yung ulo. Oh my God, sobra. And then 3 million yung namatay in just 3 days. Grabe, no? And this is under the Khmer Rouge communist, you know, so para siyang I think he's like Hitler ng Germany. Sobrang nakakalungkot at nakakaiyak. Alam mo yung pag nakikinig ka. Anyway, I'll be nasa na ako, track 13. So, kasi every track you have to go para malaman mo kung ano yung story behind that track. Ayun, so I'll continue doing it because there's a lot of people here and I cannot talk loudly. Okay. Oh my God, women and children were killed here. Oh my God. Babies, women, and children were killed. Oh my God. Oh, that's the killing tree. That one is a killing tree. I just want to stop. So itong audio 15, ito yung pinaka-sobrang grabe kasi nga children and women were killed or they've been raped. Alam ko paano sila pinapatay yung mga bata according to the audio. Hinahawakan yung babies hinahawakan yung paa nila at ini-smash yung head nila sa ganyang tree. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba yung tree na yan? Oh my God, ganun nila pinapatay yung mga bata. And pinapatay nila yun habang yung mga nanay pinapanood na pinapatay yung kanilang mga anak. And sa kanila, according dito sa audio, pag pinatay yung isang pamilya, isang member ng family, pinapatay na lahat para raw hindi na mag-seek ng revenge. It's just so hard to listen to this audio. Alam mo yun, nakakaiyak. Kasi itong tree na to, according dun sa audio, yung nakita nila na may mga fragments ng mga brain. Tapos hindi nila alam kung ano yun, kung bakit gano'n na may mga brain and skull. Nalaman lang nila nung, ayan, in-excavate yung grave na yan. It's, oh my God, sobrang nakakalungkot, grabe. Ayang tree na yan, ayan nakalagay yung loudspeaker para ma-muffled yung mga scream nung mga bata at mga babae na pinapatay at nire-rape. Alam mo yun, so parang grabe talaga. As in, sobrang nakakalungkot. As in, ang sikip-sikip. Parang maiiyak ka sa naririnig mo sa audio. Oh God. Look at those bones. Ayan o, teeth. Alam mo, habang ina-execute sila, tinatanggal yung mga ipin. Tapos ayan o, ayan yung ipin. Tapos yung bones ng mga tao. Grabe. Sobrang, oh my God. And pieces of bones remaining after excavation in 1980. So ayun, I just finished listening sa audio. So meron siyang 17 tracks. And it explains everything, every track and every place. It explains what's going on and what happened in that place. And sobrang, it's heartbreaking when you listen to it. And sana hindi na yun mangyari. At sana hindi mangyari yun lalo sa Pilipinas o sa ibang pang bansa. you can have like, it's 2,000 for one flower.
Yeah, correct.
Ayan. And then you can give it to, you can put it over there for the victims. So this is the incense and the flowers that I'm going to offer to the victims. Okay, so we're here na sa Central Market, finally. Ayan, so dito na kami sa Central Market. Madami namin pupuntahan pa, pero I don't think na pupuntahan pa namin lahat yun kasi sobrang nakakapagod, ang dami na namin napuntahan. But look at that. Parang ano lang to, parang divisoria ng ng Manila. Look. Oh, diba? It's like divisoria. Ayun. Anyway, I'll show you around and think we're... Alrighty. Ayan, bibili ka ng mga souvenirs. Marami dito pala, oh. Frenny. Pag bibili ka ng mga souvenirs. Oo nga, save nga lang. That's the Central Market. Ayan siya, oh, look, oh. Frenny, feeling ko makakabili ka ng gold dito. Ayan, oh, jewelry. Oh, Frenny, look. Oh, God, it's so beautiful. Oh, ito yung loob niya. Ng Central Market. Ang ganda, no? And then there is the clock. So, dito kami sa loob. Alam mo, yung mga dome pala to. So, dito mga jewelry sa loob. And then, ayun. So, dito is, I think, mga clothes. Alam mo yun. So, kasi parang may ganun siya. So, sections. And then yung electronics doon. Electronics. And then, sabi nung babae, dito ro yung sa food. So, we'll go to find a food. Dito ba yun? Parang hindi dito yun, friend. Palabas na siya eh. Let's see. Kung dito nga ang food. Ah, oo nga, dito siguro siya. Diba? Parang Divisoria lang to. Or kaya Tutuban. Ayan, ganon. Naghanap kami ng mga kainan dito. Alam ko kasi mayroong kainan dito eh, na mura. Nakikita, ito yung mga sa kainan ata. Ito yung nakikita ko sa video ng mga kainan nila. Pero we'll see. Ayan no. Oh, I think, hindi ko alam kung dito kami kakain. Ito yung kainan nila, I think. Ayan no, mainit nga lang. Eto, and then, ayan sila. Ayan yung food. Ayan. Sobrang line ng, si ate nga dito kumakain. But I don't know if, here, oh, look. Parang masarap to, friend. Look. Ayan, oh. Parang masarap. Parang may paano ko, ayun yung kinakain ni Kuya. Saan? Dito na tayo kumain? Ayan o, parang ang sarap ng soup. Ayan, soup. Parang masarap. Mura lang pati siya. Ayan o. Mura lang, meme. 10,000, parang $2. 10,000, real. Oo. Ako pansit din. Ako rin mamaya, pansit. Babalik ako dyan, friend. Mag-ano lang ako. Ayun nga, may foreigner kumakain dito. Parang ang sarap. Tapos para matikman mo yung mga local foods dito. Oh, ayan. Dito na kami sa mga nakikita ko to sa mga, what's this? Sa mga YouTube channel na kumakain sila dito sa local food para matikman mo yung local cuisine ng Cambodia. Oh my God. Alam mo yun? So, parang, tapos mura lang pa talaga siya. Sobrang mura. Ayan. Anyway. Okay. I think I'm gonna eat now. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, wait lang. May nakita ako dito na kakaiba. I'll show you. Ayan o, look. Oh, yun o, parang nga siya grasshopper. Oo nga. Tapos this is gagamba. Oo nga, gagamba siya, meme. Kinakain nila. Ito kaya, ay, sisiw. Ayan, sisiw siya. Oh, oh my God. Diba? Kinakain nila yan. Okay, anyway. Thank you. Tapos, oh. Okay. I think I'm gonna eat now. Alam namin kung anong kakainin namin. We'll go there. Oh, wow. I think that's the beef. Yeah. Frenny, yung food mo, ready na. There. Yeah, that's fine. Ngayon sa kakain na po ako. Ito yung kakainin ko. So let's see. First taste. Let's see. Kung ayoko nito. Ayoko ng Spam. In fairness, maano siya. What's this? Mabango. Harap. For 10,000 real. So para siyang ano lang, $2. Lagyan natin ng sili. I think this is sili. Konti lang. Just a little bit. Sili. Alam mo sa Vietnam, parang gano'n din kinakain ko sa Vietnam. Parang may ganito rin sila eh. Alam mo yun? Hindi nyo alam yun. Saan ka nag-order, friend niyan? Ano yung order mo?
Avocado lang wala.
Ano yan? Dito rin sa kanila? Okay. Guys, so I'm here. Nagising ako ng sobrang maaga para makita ko yung Royal Palace. And maganda yung ano nila, walking boulevard, is it? Yung sa Mekong River. It's so pretty. Ayun. Anyway, I'll show you around some more.